Grow with skills.
There's a little goat on the top of the hill, jumping and hopping, never staying still. With a mama here and a mama there, he wiggles his tail and dances in the air. Jump, jump, little goat so high, touching the clouds in the bright blue sky. Run, run, little goat so free, playing all day so happily. He munches grass, so green and sweet, with tiny hooves and dancing feet. He climbs on rocks, he skips on sand, the happiest goat in all the land. Jump, jump,